Hey guys, this is Angie and you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made this delicious native rice. Okay, let's proceed. So this is my pomo, my panla fish and my stock fish. And then I boiled hot water and soaked everything inside. Oh my god. So that if there's any atom of dirt to go out. Then after that, I cut my pomo into square shapes, tiny pieces. This is my pala and my stockfish after washing it. Also, I had my onion here already chopped into small chunks or pieces, whatever you call it. Then this is my scent leaf. I cut them to the shape. Then this is my pepper and also the pepper mixture, my palm oil or red oil, whatever I call it. So yeah, let me take you through the ingredients again. The pepper mixture, I had onion, crayfish, tomato. I blended everything, garlic and ginger, and I blended everything together. So yeah, that's what's in the pepper mixture. So here are my ingredients were set. So I poured the red oil in the pot and allowed it to get hot, and then I added my onion. I fried it in the hot oil. Here we have onion in this red oil here. Then I proceeded to pour my pepper mixture. This is what it looks like in the red oil. So after that, okay, this is my parboiled rice set aside. So this is my pepper mixture and the onion frying in the red oil. I covered it for some minutes and then I proceeded to add my panla fish and stirred everything together. My stockfish too as well, I added it. Also, this is me adding my pomo here. Added my pomo, stirred everything together as well. Oh yeah. So make sure you stir everything very well. Also, I added my cut pepper, like my square shaped pepper. It's just for, I don't know, maybe aesthetics or something. I stirred everything together. Whenever you add something, you need to turn the, so that whatever it is going to go down and mix with everything in the pot or settle everything in the pot. So after this, I covered my pots and allowed it to fry for some time. Then when I opened it after frying for some time or a few minutes, I added my nor cubes. You have to also check your sauce, whatever you're frying. You have to check if there's salt, enough salt, and the nor cubes you added, if they are enough. So I had to pour my rice inside and try to stir everything together. I stirred everything together to the last, like make sure you leave no place unturned. So after that, I added water, enough water that will cook the rice very well, and then I covered my pots. So when the water was almost drying up, I added my crayfish. I remember I blended some crayfish. Here I'm adding the one I didn't blend. So I added after the crayfish, I also added my scent leaf that I cut. Remember, this is when the meal is almost ready, like when the water has almost dried. So I turned everything, gave it a good mix, make sure all your ingredients and everything they are the right proportion. Turn it, at this point, this is where you taste it if you want to see if you can notice in the pot there's still tiny water at the side. So while I added the scent leaf, I made sure I turned everything together while the water was still drying. So yeah, our rice is almost ready. In fact, it is set. Hey, Igbo people will say all set to go. Oh my god, I can't even wait to eat it. So yeah, this is what our native rice looks like. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and happy Independence Day in Nigeria. It's safe to say that this is my independence meal. All right, guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.